Here is my 1971 Torino. It is a GT convertible, as you can see. Let's do a walk around here. The paint is in decent shape. It's just a single stage, just to protect it, and it came out pretty good. Looks good. Anyway, so here's a 351 Cleveland, and it has the 4, which means it's a 4V. Anyway, it has dual fans. It has new shocks, newer battery, new alternator. It also has a compressor, a chrome compressor, which gets put approximately right here. Anyway, that's about it underneath. This is the antifreeze reserve for the radiator. Power brakes. It has power steering. It has a GM distributor. What else does it have? Newer intake. They also put the whole engine was redone, as you can see, and the transmission was redone also. I don't know if you could see the yeah, you could actually see the color change. You know, the bell housing's all nice and clean. Anyway, they put an AOD 4-speed in it. All right, so this is under the hood. That's the scoop. There's some badging, GT 351. Let's look at the interior. The bad thing with the interior is the driver's seat and the dash has a little bit of cracking, like right in the center. Right on the right hand side of the speedometer, you can see a crack there. But it's in good shape. Structurally, it's good. It could be redone. Anyway, all the electric switches work. Everywhere. The top works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get in the car and I am going to start her up so we can listen to her. Grab the keys here. The wipers work. Okay. Oh, by the way, this probably won't have any engine lights. Just joking. Alternator's okay. It's pumping out the right amount of voltage. Has an aftermarket radio, but I do have the AM radio. Alright, and the whole purpose of this is to show you how the top works. Alright, back to the engine running underneath the hood. We'll close this baby. And just to give you a look what it's like with the top down. You just concentrate on the top because that's what really matters. The top's in beautiful condition. It wasn't replaced too long ago. I think it was just started about a minute ago. A little ride. Ride's pretty good. I'd say I would make it anywhere. It has front disc brakes, the power, the stock. Anyway, I'm going to end it right here.